Hey guys, it's me JSHDIY. Welcome back to my channel, finally. In today's video, we are going to be testing out water slime recipes. If you didn't know what water slime is, it's a super popular way of making slime with household ingredients at home on YouTube, and there's lots of different recipes. So we're going to be testing out a couple different recipes to see which ones we can make work into actual slimes. If you would like me to send you a bottle of water slime as well as an iPhone, all you have to do is like this video, watch the whole thing without skipping, and comment down below. The more you comment, the better chance you get to win. I'm going to be sending out packages all the time, so follow the rules. Good luck to everyone entering. The first recipe I'm going to be showing you guys is a classic water slime recipe, and the two ingredients you need to make this slime are just shampoo and water, and that is all you need to make water slime. Also, for those that were wondering, it doesn't matter what brand of shampoo you are using. Now that we have the shampoo, it is time to have the fun part, which is coloring the slime and making your slime however you want it to look. If you have a clear shampoo, you can do a lot of different colors and stuff using markers or food coloring, but if you don't have a clear shampoo, you can do a lot of different things also. I transformed my slime to be pink and blue, and I think it looks really cool. Now is when you will be needing water, so you just want to put a thin layer of water on top of the shampoo without mixing it, and now we're going to put this in the refrigerator. We are going to put this away in the fridge, put it in. And our slime will be done when we take it out. I'm going to show you guys how water slime looks. Water slime is really amazing because it feels just like slime, but it's made out of ingredients you already have at home, and it's really fun to play with, and it looks really cool. This water slime is currently one of my favorite shampoo water slimes. I really love water slime, and I've been playing with this one for about a week now, and I'm still enjoying it a lot. I know you guys are not going to want to miss the next recipe because we are about to test out the hand sanitizer water slime. Because I feel like we're all using hand sanitizer so much, especially recently, I thought I would test out an interesting hand sanitizer water slime recipe that you guys commented on my last video. But the comments with this recipe that you guys left said that if you take a fork and you put it under the faucet and get it wet and you mix the hand sanitizer for 5 to 10 minutes really fast, it's supposed to make like a little bubbles or something. And you guys said you saw this on Troom Troom, so we will see if this works. If you didn't know this already, hand sanitizer cannot freeze because there's alcohol in it, but the water fork hack is supposed to allow it to make slime. Now all we have left to do before we can see if this worked or not is put this into the freezer. It has been about 15 minutes since I put this in the freezer, so we are gonna see if it worked. As you guys can see, this did not work at all. Which is sad because I feel like it would be cool to be able to make slime out of hand sanitizer. Let me know if you guys know any other recipes like this one that I can test next week to see if we can get those to work. The next water slime recipe we are going to be testing out is the marshmallow one. So I'm so excited for this. I got these Lucky Charms marshmallows that are all rainbow colors, and I think they look really cool. So I'm going to just be rearranging them first. I'm super excited to see if this works because it seems like a really fun experiment because we are going to be putting this in the oven, and it actually kind of seems like this would make sense that it would make slime, so we will see. We had to put the marshmallows in at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and here's how the marshmallows look. They actually puffed up a lot and they just melted together, but we're supposed to let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes until they've cooled down before we mix them around to see if they feel like slime. Let's check the blue one first, so let's see if this one feels like slime. Okay, so this one feels very sticky, but when I mix it together, it's starting to feel a little bit more like slime. It definitely turns into slime when you mix it more and more. I'm noticing that 100% all of these could turn into slime if I just mixed them for long enough. Overall, I would say this recipe was a fail for me. What was supposed to happen is it was supposed to turn into a slime that was kind of stretchy and not super sticky the more I mixed it. But for me, these were all pretty sticky. But looking back, I think you could get this recipe to work, but for me, this was a fail. I get so many requests to make slime out of Method hand soap, so for this next recipe, you are going to be needing an empty water bottle, Method hand soap, and also a shampoo or any sort of hand soap. When you mix the Method hand soap with shampoo, it actually makes a really good slime, and this recipe is nice because it works very quickly. So all you're going to be needing if you would like to test this recipe with me is just some hand soap, preferably the Method one because that is the one that works best for this, and also shampoo. In your empty water bottle, you want to add as much hand soap you want to turn into slime, and then also 1/4 of that amount of hand soap that you added of shampoo. And then you want to mix the two together by shaking it to turn it into a slime. After getting so many requests to make this, I tried it and it worked super well, so this is that recipe. And lastly, all I did is I just poured this into a container that I could put in my fridge. I did have to put this in my refrigerator to congeal for about 10 minutes, but here is how it turned out afterwards. The color of the slime is kind of an ice blue tone because of the two soaps, so I'm going to be adding in fake ice so we can have an ice water type of slime. The last thing I wanted to show you guys before I leave is this satisfying clip of mixing these strawberry cookies into this clear slime, so enjoy. Cookies made a really cool sound when I mixed them in, but this wasn't the best slime after I mixed everything. Been really sad recently because it's been a while since I've been able to do a video, so I thought I would answer a couple of your questions because I'm back, my bottles are out, and I have a lot to talk about. So I got a coffee and I asked you guys for questions, so I'm going to be answering all the questions you guys have. One of you guys is asking where I have been and what I've been doing over quarantine, so I've been pretty busy with school, and that's why it's been a bit since I've gotten to talk to you guys, but I've been really busy with school, and I also redid my studio, so I can show you guys a studio tour soon because it's really cool now. So my slime room is all redone, and also I've been working on my water slime bottles that you guys can now buy. The first question I see that I want to talk about is how does the bottle work? So I have an empty bottle here. So first off, the storage bottle opens in the middle, which is super cool. Also, the bottle is engineered to actually clear up your slime quickly once you put it back in the bottle to sit. The second thing I'm going to tell you guys about is the magic QR code that is on the back of the bottle. I wanted it to be that if you buy a bottle, you get endless fun. The back of every bottle, there is this little special box, and when you scan it on your camera, it takes you to a magic link, especially for you from me, that is full of surprises. When you scan it, it's like opening a little present. Also, with your order, you will get this free gift, which is our holographic jelly pouch, which is so cute and you can use it for so many things. When I first launched, the bottles all sold out very quickly, but now you guys can all get your hands on a bottle on jshdiy.com and you can order yours. Some people were reselling their bottles on eBay for up to $500 because they were sold out, but you guys can order from my website, jshdiy.com. The next thing I want to talk about is the slime itself. So this slime is a crystal clear slime, and each bottle is a piece of my perfected water slime formula. First off, you get about 2 pounds of water slime. It is a really large batch and it's extremely expensive to make. The clear slime formula is super special because it's anti-bubble, anti-cloud, and also is ultra fast clearing up. And the slime adjusts to your hands to always give you the perfect texture, and this texture is like nothing you've ever felt before. You just have to feel it to experience it because it is incredible. In my next video, I will be revealing what the golden bottle looks like, but if you get the golden bottle, you will be getting this iPhone also. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm so happy to be back. Again, I was just really busy with school, but I love you guys all so much. You have no idea, and you guys should go hang out with me on one of the videos up on the screen. Bye, guys. Love you.